Okay, we've now moved over to the other stack that's in the basement. As you can see, this is 3-inch, picking up 3-inch PVC. This is in the main room. This is all the way at the end wall. We're going to televise from here over to the storm tie-in. Then we will move over to the main sewer. We do want to video the main sewer with a centering guide. Again, this clean out here is only a 3-inch cast iron line. Okay, as you can see, right when we enter the turn here, you can see we have quite a bit more buildup in this line than on the other side. This line is going to definitely require descaling. As you see, it's not even easy for us to slide the camera through in spots. We have a large amount of scale buildup in this line. As you can see here, it gets a little bit better, but still the drain is closed in quite a bit. As you can see on the sides, we have quite a bit of buildup. This will need to be descaled and then also probably hydrojetted to clear all the debris, and then we will hydrojet the main sewer to clear the calcite you've seen, and also to clear all this debris out. As you can see, there's some areas, as you can see, this line has been cabled, and you can see the debris here that's sitting on the bottom, and you can also see the areas where the scale was broken off, and you can see the piping. Just to give you an idea how thick the scale buildup is in this line. As you can see, we got a lot of the scale that just lays right at the bottom. And this should be where we tie into the main line. You can see this is the 4-inch, and now we're going to push ahead, and you can see this is our backwater valve area right here. And then just up ahead, you can see that's our main clean out. So we are going to go ahead and pull back. We will pull back into the 3-inch. And then we are going to, we'll continue our recording, but as you've seen, the 3-inch cast iron has quite a bit of buildup into it. This will requires descaling with a P-coat machine, and then also flushing with the jetter to clear these all this buildup and to flush it all down. And then again, we'll hydrojet the main sewer as well. Alright, we're going to push back to the Y. We're going to pull back a little bit slower. As you can see, the trough our camera is made through the buildup. But we're going to pull back just a little bit slower here so you can get a better look. And like I say, you can see where the cable had scratched through. You can see the areas where the scale's been popped off the piping, where you can see the black spots. Again, note all the scale debris that's sitting at the bottom from cabling. And here, this will give you a good view of the areas where the scale was chipped off of the piping. You can see we're back to the original cast iron. Again, here, this gives you another example of the thickness of the buildup in the line. Again, we should be able to clear a good part of this out and smooth this line out, and also flush all the debris out of the line. And again, here this gives you another idea of the depth and the amount of scale buildup that's on the line. Again, you can see the trough our camera has made as we went through the bottom with all the buildup that was broke off just from cabling the line. Again, I know we've said it a couple of times, but again, this gives you an idea of the depth and how much the buildup is on the pipe, on how this closes the pipe off, causing issues, causing stuff to back up. Especially this line does pick up at least one bathroom. It does go into a finished ceiling area in the main room of the basement. Trying to pull back real slow so you can get a good visual of the line as we come back. And also you can see the areas where the scale was broke off due to cabling. You can see we don't believe that there's any branches on this line. It's the other line, the 4-inch line, that has other branches. It's possible the reason why this stays 3-inch, whereas the other stack is 4, due to it also carries kitchens of floor drain, and it does carry this stack as well. Again, as we're coming closer here to the end, it is a little hard for us to pull our camera out due to the buildup. And again, as you can see, this is the 3-inch stack that's in the main room of the basement. That'll conclude this video.